The Powermatic 6-inch woodworking jointer features a helical cutter head with 40 four-sided indexable carbide knife inserts to provide a superior finish for your woodworking projects. In this example, we'll be demonstrating how to flatten the edge of a board using 90-degree edge joining. Before doing so, the face must be planed. The 90-degree stop is controlled by the stop bolt and the stop block. Set the infeed table to approximately the same height as the outfeed table. Move the fence by releasing the lock handle and pushing the fence assembly until it overlaps the tables. Tighten the lock handle. Adjust the fence to a 90-degree angle by releasing the lock handle, pulling up on the fence handle, and tightening the lock handle. The stop bolt should be resting against the stop block. Place an angle measuring device on the table and against the fence to confirm a 90-degree setting. Place your piece on the table with the edge side up and firmly grasp it with both hands. Begin to walk the board all the way through until the guard shuts using slow movement and consistent pressure. Remove the piece. Then reposition it into the machine, repeating until the board is completely level. Once complete, measure your pieces to ensure you have achieved a 90-degree angle. Turn the machine power off and the dust collector power off. To finish the board, run it through your Powermatic planer and table saw. Learn more about the Powermatic 6-inch jointer on our website. Don't forget that your tool comes with an industry-leading warranty. If you need any service or repair, one of our authorized Powermatic service centers can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.